Hello and welcome to my daily routine for survey sites that pay part 6. I'm happy you guys are able to tune in because I am happy to bring you these videos because I love taking surveys and I love to help people make money online taking surveys. Okay, so my name is Velvet Davis and I've been taking surveys since 2014. And for those of you that are currently taking surveys, you know exactly how frustrating they can be. Okay, now for those of you that are new to taking surveys, understand that I understand it's frustrating. I understand if you take a 20-minute survey or a 30-minute survey and you don't get the points, you get disqualified. Understand, I know you feel like that's a waste of your time, but understand that if you don't have a certain demographics, you won't qualify for the survey. It's not you, it's they're looking for certain people and you just don't fall into that category of the people they're looking for. Okay? You gotta understand that. Okay? So, half the time you will not qualify. But that's what I wanted to talk to you about. I made this video number 6. I made this survey site number 6 because it is a survey site that gives you disqualification points. Okay, so let's get into it. And before we get into that, I want you guys to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button or bell for more information on the future videos I upload. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment below, let me know if you want me to make more videos. Let's get into it. Survey Junkie, okay? Survey Junkie is a well-known site. You guys know about it. I've talked about it. I've showed you guys cash outs from it. And I really like this site, okay? Because I like this site mainly because it has disqualification. Not only does it have disqualification points, but you get your points, added to your balance. You don't have to wait for your points to be added. They go right. Whenever you complete a survey, whenever you get disqualification points, your balance goes up. You see this right here? This little green line, this is a circle. Once this circle fills up to the top, it's going to be 1,000 points. You have to get up to 1,000 points to cash out $10 on here. Okay? And my lifetime points are 6,276, which means I've earned $60. $60 I've made on this site altogether. $60, guys. And yeah, I work this site a few times a week, twice a week, and I'm making $10 every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks I'm making $10. It'd be more if I worked the site like I used to every day, all day long, but I'm not able to do that because I have other jobs I work. And right now I'm at 44 cents, and I'm trying to get up to, get up to 1,000 points again, which I will because I'm a grinder. I work, okay. And see these sites, these are really high points, okay, high points. And you guys get emails, notifying you of if you got surveys, okay. Survey Junkie, they always have surveys. Like they're always uploading new surveys. Okay, every time I open my email, I have a survey. Survey Junkie, always in my email. Okay, so just wanted to bring you guys on here to talk a little bit about Survey Junkie, and like I said, it is a great site, and I've earned multiple times from it. If you guys take the time out to work the site, you will earn from it as well. Okay, so I've earned $60 altogether on this site. Okay, I love Survey Junkie. It's a shout out to those of you who are working Survey Junkie as well. You guys have a lot of patience because at first I didn't. Okay, because the first survey site I started out with Vendo Research, and there was no disqualification points. You either completed the survey or you didn't. And the only extra way to get points was to do trial offers or refer friends. And most of the time, the people I referred didn't know what they were doing when they signed up. So, very rarely did I get to sign up and get points for it. But anyways, if you guys have any frequently asked questions, you want to click on this tab here next to surveys. Click on the help tab. Okay? And I'm going to go through some of these questions with you since I have time. So, can anyone become a member of Survey Junkie? Members must be 13 years or older, and reside in the United States, Canada, and Australia. So, remember, this is only for people who are in the United States, Canada, or Australia. If you're not in any of those, it will not work for you. Okay? Now, question number two, how much money will I make for taking surveys? You will not get rich by taking surveys. The rewards for each survey will vary, but with commitment and regular participation, you'll have the opportunity to earn extra cash each month. See that? You got to participate. You got to take the surveys on a regular basis. Not every single day like I do, because, I'm self-employed. I work from home, so I'm able to do this and sit down all day long and do this. Okay? Question number 3, I forgot my password. What do I do? To retrieve your password, visit surveyjunkie.com/forgot. Enter your email address in the email field and click retrieve password. If your account exists, you will receive an email with instructions on how to reset your password. Please note the password reset link expires after 1 hour. Okay? So this just tells you guys what to do if you lost your password, if you need to reset it. What if I entered the wrong email address? Can I change my email? You cannot change your registration email. We do, however, allow our users to add up to 2 additional emails per payment. These emails will be used to send rewards and are known as PayPal and gift card emails. We will need to confirm each email before a redemption can be processed. Okay? So, you guys cannot change your registration email, but they do allow you to add up to 2 additional emails so you can get paid. Okay? So, the question I have next, number 5, how do I earn points? You must successfully complete surveys, profile questionnaires, refer friends to participate, or take other rewards actions to earn points. You'll know an action is rewardable if it has designated points displayed with a green button. How do I redeem my points? To redeem your points, click My Points from the navigation bar's drop-down menu or click Current Points from the user dashboard. Once you're on the My Points page, follow these steps. If you have reached a minimum of 1,000 points, depending on your country and verification status, you may be eligible to redeem your rewards with one or more of the following methods. Use cash using PayPal, available in all countries. Popular e-gift cards, available in U.S. only. Direct bank transfers initiated by a third-party partner, available in the U.S. only. So here you go. So this is basically some of the questions, you guys. If you guys have questions about, your payment or your points or your password or anything like that, you guys can come here and just click on these, and they'll answer your questions. See? Email, surveys, points, all that. Redemption. Okay? Okay. I'm just looking at this to see if there's anything I need to cover. Pending points. Do my points expire? Okay, just keep this in mind, you guys. Your points will never expire as long as you're an active member. You have to be active on the site. You have to take surveys every now and again. Your points will expire if you have not logged in and completed a survey within a 12-month period. After 12 months of no activity, all points will be forfeited. So if you haven't been on the site for 12 whole months, your account will be basically deactivated. So I don't think you guys want that. So just make sure you're active on the site. So you can contact them, put your name, put your email, put the subject, put the category, and just write your question and then submit. I am not a registered. You just click submit, okay? So basically that's where you find your frequently asked questions. You just click on help right here, and then if you click on your name, you click on my points, my profile, my settings, tutorials. Tutorials, I don't believe I've watched. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's another thing. You guys want to watch the tutorials because you get points for watching them. Okay? So, that's basically it for this video. I will see you guys in part 7 of my daily routines that pay.